Kidai Mart. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Hello. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Raya Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in Kuta Bali, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Raya Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street. And our journey today start from the north part of Raya Legian Street. Okay, let's see together how busy Kuta area today. Yes, so far on video we see there is so many tourists walk around on the footpath, and also they are just like doing shopping down there. Did you see that? Looks so busy, isn't it? Tourists everywhere in Kuta Bali now. I mean, like step by step Kuta Bali also getting up more busier and busier. In this video I also will make video on Pantai Kuta Street. Usually I turn right after the Legian Street to explore Pantai Kuta Street at the front Kuta beach, but now I will turn left because I will show you how the situation at the moment on Pantai Kuta. Turn left after Bemo corner. Okay guys, let's continue driving on Raya Legian Street. Kidai Mart. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali.
Yes.
Yeah, they all look so happy and look exciting to explore Bali. Your left side there was so many tourists walk around on the footpath, and also they are doing shopping down there. Legian Paradiso left side. Hello. If you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Raya Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Actually, I already updated this area about few weeks ago, but still a bit quiet. But now it's really getting up much better and better now. I'm really happy to seeing this. You see right side? Future is down there. Looks so busy, isn't it? Okay, let's continue driving on Raya Legian Street and enjoy the natural atmosphere from this area. You see right side? Yeah, few tourists down there. They are walk around on the footpath. Legian Club, busy in the night time. And if you see the weather today, it is so beautiful, so clear, so sunny. Bali just amazing of the weather this week. Hello. How are you? In this video, I make video around 9 minutes without skip video on Raya Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street because I want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta Bali. Yeah, it's Kuta Bali getting up now. Step by step, more tourists stay in this area and they come for shopping on Raya Legian Street. Now we are nearby Central Raya Legian Street. This area we call Ground Zero. Yeah, it's normal, it's bit traffic jam in this area because if I turn right, there is the way to go to Poppies Land too. The most legend street in Kuta Bali. Left side, the memorial monument. Yeah, if you want to know how the situation at the moment on Poppies Land too, so you can find video down this video because I already update on Poppies Land too few weeks ago. I mean like about 1 week ago. Yeah, if I turn right, that is the way to go to Poppies Land too. In this area, usually busy during the night time because in this area there is lots of nightclub like Sky Garden, Engine Room, Apache, Bounty Club, and Paddy's Pub, also Lixie. So this is the situation at the moment on Raya Legian Street. So what do you think? Yeah, it is getting busier, isn't it? That's just really good. Yeah, if I turn right, there's the way to go to Pantai Kuta or Kuta Beach around 400 meters. And usually I turn right to update the situation at the moment on Pantai Kuta Street. But now I turn left because I will keep update how the situation at the moment on Pantai Kuta Street. You see left side? At the front? Yeah, it is Bemo Corner Coffee Shop. James Plunkett loved this coffee shop. And also I know the owner, Kak Bemo. I hope Kak Bemo will watching this video. Okay, let's continue driving on Pantai Kuta Street. If I turn right, there is the way to go to Traditional Art Market in Kuta Bali. And this area looks so busy, isn't it? So many cars drive around this area. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Pantai Kuta Street. So what do you think? Just so much traffic, isn't it? That's just really good. Okay, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Raya Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.